Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying prerequisites. Make sure your phone supports hotspot and has an active cellular plan. Once done, plug the phone in or confirm battery above 50% so the process won't stop mid-step. Next, disable any VPNs and turn off airplane mode. Enable mobile data to allow tethering. Now open hotspot settings and set a clear SSID and WPA2 password. This prevents interference and unauthorized access. These immediate steps prepare the device for stable hotspot configuration. Once the basic hotspot is up, you configure performance options to match your situation. Choose 4 GHz for better range or 5 GHz for faster local speeds, and make that selection in Hotspot Advanced settings. Then limit connected devices to 3 to 5 to avoid saturation. Set a short DHCP lease for quick reconnection. If one client needs stability, assign a static IP in the phone's tethering options. These changes reduce interference and keep throughput consistent for real tasks. To finish, validate the setup. Connect a single client and run a quick speed and latency check to confirm usable bandwidth. If the connection drops or clients show no internet, reboot the hotspot device and the client. This clears stale IP leases and often fixes NAT issues. If problems persist, toggle the carrier tethering option or reprovision the APN settings because carriers sometimes block tethering. One key troubleshooting tip: if you keep losing DNS resolution, switch client DNS to 1, 1, 1, 1 or 8, 8, 8, 8 and retest.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.